Hey everyone! Did you know that in India, Christmas is celebrated with a super cool mix of different cultures and traditions? It's a vibrant and unique experience that brings together the essence of Indian diversity and the joy of the holiday season. From midnight church services in Goa to bright street decorations in Kerala, Christmas in India is a special mix of lights, laughter, and love. The celebrations are a beautiful blend of religious reverence and festive cheer, making it a truly unforgettable experience. So today, come with me as I explore the most joyful Christmas celebrations in India. We'll travel through different states and cities, each with its own unique way of celebrating this wonderful holiday. Imagine streets covered in twinkling lights, the yummy smell of traditional sweets, and people coming together to celebrate. It's amazing. The air is filled with excitement and the spirit of togetherness, making every moment special. But here's the tricky part, showing you how different Christmas is in all the different parts of India. Each region has its own customs and traditions, adding to the rich tapestry of celebrations. Each state, each city, has its own special way of celebrating. From the bustling metropolises to the serene villages, the festive spirit is everywhere. In Goa, Christmas means big feasts and fun parades. The streets come alive with music, dance, and delicious food, making it a grand celebration. And in Mumbai, you'll find beautifully decorated churches and busy Christmas markets. The city is a hub of activity, with people shopping for gifts and enjoying the festive atmosphere. Now let's take a closer look. The decorations are intricate and colorful, reflecting the creativity and enthusiasm of the people. Special Christmas foods are a big part of the celebration. Street vendors and local bakeries offer a variety of treats that are hard to resist. From yummy plum cakes to a Goan treat called bibinka, every bite is delicious. These traditional sweets are a must-try and add a special flavor to the festivities. The decorations are awesome too. People go all out to make their homes and churches look festive and welcoming. Houses and churches are decorated with stars, little scenes showing baby Jesus, and colorful lights. These decorations create a magical atmosphere that brings joy to everyone. And the parties? They're so much fun. People gather to sing, dance, and celebrate, creating memories that last a lifetime. People from everywhere come together to sing Christmas songs, share food, and spread the holiday cheer. It's a time of joy and unity, where everyone feels like part of one big family. I have a story that really shows what Christmas joy is like in India. It's a heartwarming tale that captures the essence of the festive spirit. It's from a small village in Kerala. This village has a unique tradition that brings everyone together. Every year, the whole village works together to build a huge nativity scene. It's a community effort that showcases their creativity and dedication. It takes weeks to finish, but it ends up being a beautiful, life-sized display of baby Jesus' birth. The villagers take great pride in their work, and it becomes a focal point of their celebrations. Seeing how happy and proud the villagers are when they show off their creation is really heartwarming. It's a testament to the power of community and the joy of working together. So Christmas in India is a bright, happy celebration full of lights, laughter, and a strong feeling of community. It's a time when people come together to share love and joy, making it a truly special occasion. It reminds us how powerful it is when people come together and show love. The festive season brings out the best in everyone, creating a sense of unity and happiness. If you liked this video, tell us about your own Christmas experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and see how you celebrate this wonderful holiday. And if you want to learn about holiday traditions in other countries, watch our next video. There's so much more to explore and enjoy. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas. May your holidays be filled with joy, love, and wonderful memories.